How to Write Music is an online course that teaches you a step-by-step method for creating a piece of music. It includes 6 hours of video tutorials, packed with ideas and techniques you can apply to your own music right now. There are lots of real-time scoring demonstrations as well, so you can follow me writing a short piece from start to finish, mistakes and all. There's a comprehensive course text filled with interactive examples to reinforce all the tips and tricks I'm going to be showing you. Whether you're looking to write better music or you're just starting out, I'll give you the tools and the techniques you need. I'll show you step by step where inspiration comes from, how to write better tunes, how to develop your first spark of an idea into something really uplifting and satisfying, how to write effective chord sequences, how to use rhythm and instrumentation to bring out the best in your idea, and how to use structure to turn a simple idea into a really impressive and substantial piece of music. Most people face lots of roadblocks and frustrations when it comes to learning to write music. I know because I have been there. This course will help you to sort out exactly what the source of the problem is, and then you can start fixing it. By looking at each element of the music in turn, we can work out what's working and what's not working, and then together we can fix it. Any musician can take this course. You don't need any special equipment or software, no knowledge of music technology. You don't even need to know lots of music theory. The theory you do need to know, I'll explain in a special bonus supplement. So, whether you're a pianist, guitarist, or computer musician, whether you want to write instrumental music, songs, or film scores, How to Write Music will show you how to write quickly and effectively. Sign up now and start your journey straight away.